Hello, students. I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to the class of Moral Science. Today, we will look into chapter 4, and the name of the chapter is Everyone is Equal. Before I begin the chapter, I would like to read a very famous quote written by Hussein Nisha. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Talk to people the way you want to be talked to. Respect is earned, not given. Students, God has created us all. He is the creator. We are all equal, in fact, that we are different and unique. You will now listen to a very interesting story. The name of the story is The Mark Note. It's about two students. One of them is Manish and the other is Abhishek. Manish was the first person to attend school in his family. He performed very well and was very famous. One day, a 100 rupee note was found missing from the class teacher's bag. Abhishek declared that Manish had stolen the money from the class teacher's bag. When Manish heard this, he was feeling very sad and he said that the money that his father had given was to buy some groceries from the grocery shop. Abhishek, who accused him on the basis of his caste just because he was poor and lived in the slum, he started accusing him. Abhishek made fun of Manish and he said to hand over and get away from here. The teacher was calmly listening to all the conversation that was happening between Abhishek and Manish. He said, "That's enough, Abhishek." Abhishek saw the anger in not just the teacher but all the classmates that were just staring at him. Then the teacher wrote on the blackboard the number 100 that was followed by the letter AS. And he asked the students, if anybody of you has brought the money, please walk up to the board and give me the reason of bringing your money. Abhishek stood up and he handed over the money to the class teacher. The class teacher asked the class representative to closely examine the notes that Abhishek and Manish had. The students were eagerly watching the class representative who was examining the notes from his side. As he examines, the class representative announces to the class, "The note of Abhishek has been marked as AS." On hearing this, everybody was shocked and surprised. The teacher said, "I usually mark my notes before spending them. Do you have anything to say, Abhishek, in your defense?" Abhishek was silent. The teacher said, "It's easy to accuse anyone. You cannot accuse Manish just because he's poor, based on his background. Tell me, can I now judge you and all the members of your caste and status as thieves because you have committed a theft?" Abhishek realized his mistake and he was sorry for what he had done. He apologized Manish and the class teacher and he promised them that he will never judge anybody on the basis of their social status or caste. And later on, he learnt a lesson from this story. He learned that he would behave properly, he would not tell a lie, and he would not judge others. Students, this story tells us and it helps us to learn many lessons from this story. Some very good values can be inculcated, like treating everyone equally. Let's not discriminate people on on the basis of their caste, color, religion, or social background. Be kind and courteous to others. Forgive others. And last but not the least, be honest. Do not tell lies. Students, that was the end of the story. I hope you all have understood the story. Thank you everyone for patiently listening to the story. Stay safe and stay healthy.